Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about AMD. Well, right now from a charting perspective, AMD stock looks bearish. But Intel is having earnings coming up here very soon. Will Intel's earnings skyrocket AMD stock like it did last time? I think there's a possibility because last time when Intel reported earnings, the stock dropped from $60 all the way down to around $50 in one day. So it dropped $10 in one day. And AMD stock rallied from that. It went from, I believe, $60 all the way up to $70 in one day. So it jumped $10 in one day, pulled back a little bit, and then after their earnings report, the stock skyrocketed all the way up to $86, pulled back a little bit, and went all the way up to $92. So just saying that there's a possibility that Intel could disappoint and pump AMD stock up, maybe another $10. So that means that if the stock is sitting at $79, there's a possibility we could see AMD stock uptrend after Intel's earnings and be at $90 by the end of the day of tomorrow. There's a possibility. I'm not saying it'll happen. I'm just saying that that is a possibility. But there's also a chance it might not happen. But I'm making a video on it because Intel's having earnings here, and it could be exciting. Who knows? We'll see. I don't have a put option on Intel, but I do have a call option on AMD. So we'll see if that happens. If that does happen, that would be freaking awesome. Just saying. But there's a chance that nothing might happen on AMD stock after Intel's earnings. But overall, I'm still pretty bullish on AMD. Why? Because AMD is stealing a lot of market share from Intel, like right now. And on top of the stealing market share, AMD prepares for Radeon 6000 GPU and Ryzen 5000 CPU launch, and they're telling retailers to limit the orders so scalpers and barters don't buy up all the inventory and allow gamers to buy it so they can, build their PC for the Christmas holiday. So basically AMD is saying that they expect all their products to sell out through Christmas, which is not something that is not 100% unreasonable. That means that AMD is expecting strong sales number through the Christmas season. That means AMD's earnings are going to be awesome and the guidance is going to be awesome. So I am very bullish on the earnings report. I don't know if maybe the stock price won't do anything for now. Maybe there's a chance the stock price might even go all the way down to $75. I really don't know. Intel's earnings are coming up here. It could really pop AMD stock to the upside in a big way. And then on top of that, AMD Ryzen 9550 X16 core CPU flagship again crushes Intel's top core i9 1090 80 Xe 18 core in HEDT chips. I don't really know what that means. It's probably some kind of benchmark, but right now AMD is taking the crown from Intel in every single way in the CPU wars right now. And AMD is the top CPU chip on the market. If you want the best CPU chip on the market, it's AMD, not Intel at the moment. So AMD is going to sell very well in this holiday season because they are the best performing CPU chip. So very bullish. And then on top of that, Bitcoin is rallying. People are going to want to buy those GPUs and new computers to mine Bitcoin at the moment. So very bullish. So now we're done with the AMD talk. Let's talk about GM. GM managed to sell out of their Hummer EV Edition 1. That the most expensive version of the truck. They managed to sell out. That means that there is high demand. I mean, not high demand. That means that rich people are excited about the EV trucks that GM is releasing, and they bought up all the they bought up the truck, at least the most expensive version. So there's always a market for rich. There's a market for rich people, and yeah, that's why its reservation is full. GM stock is a little positive today, a little bit green, but not much. I would be more on the bearish side, but that's just me. I think it's getting overbought right now, and I'm expecting a pullback. But hey, we'll see what happens. GameStop this morning, $15. Oh yeah, $15. Awesome today, hey? It actually went all the way up to almost $16 today. It almost went up to $16, pulled back a little bit, and now it's going for another run from a charting perspective. But we'll see. Like I said, I was extremely bullish on GameStop. I told you that, I told you how excited I am. I told you I wasn't going to sell. I've been hammering on the GameStop for a while, and GameStop just keeps going green and green and green, and it will continue to go green. I think it's going to go to $20 eventually, but that's my opinion. We'll see what happens. Right now, people are just probably too scared. I mean, most retail investors are probably too scared to buy. But from a charting perspective, this thing looks extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. Shorts are probably freaking out right now. Tesla is just trading sideways. Not too much to say about that. Good luck to all the bulls. I hope it makes you a lot of money. Short term and long term. Long term, you're probably going to make a lot of money off Tesla. Short term, I have no idea. Giga Metals will be having the conference call at noon. Here's the phone number if you are interested. McPhee just started trading, and the stock already tanked $1.14, 5.7%. Just wanted to point that out. Xilinx is up $1.09. It had earnings yesterday, and the stock didn't really react positively. Solo is being so tarted. Tesla, I already talked about Tesla. What is this? This Coke. Why do I have Coke up here? Hey, Coke is up right now, up 59 cents. Coke is not really a big mover. It's kind of like a buy and hold long term. Unless the market crashes, then it'll crash with the market. The market right now is slightly red, very volatile, just up and down, just very undecided where the direction it wants to go. Diamond Peak Holdings down $1.10. They were having their merger has been approved, and they will be merging. Have formalized a merger agreement. Wow. Loading is taking forever. There you go. Now officially been approved for a proposed business combination, paving the way for shares of the combination to list on the stock exchange under the symbol RIDE, following 5 perspective during the special meeting of the Diamond Peak Holdings shareholders. Nasdaq to approve 78 million Class A common shares to stockholders of option holders of Lordstown to approve an issuance of 50 million common class share to the SPAC pipe at $10. The approval of the insurance of common shares upon Class B common shares to approve the insurance of 4 million Class A common shares upon the conversion of certain convertible. I don't know. Like, that's just I didn't really have to read all that. When is the merger date? October 26th, Monday. So next week on Monday, the merger will be done, will be completed. So the new ticker symbol will be called RIDE. DPHC share tanked today after that merger was approved. It's down $1.12, 5.25%. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp. down today, 66 cents, 4.66%. Not too much to say about that. I hope this thing goes all the way down to $10. That would be awesome. PIC is just being not nice to people who are holding. SBE Switchback Energy down 26 cents. Blink is down 17 cents. Nano Dimension up 9.5 cents right now. High Blockchain Technology down half a penny. Micron is up 47 cents. I already talked about that. Giga Metals is just kind of volatile right now. Very Good Food Company is up 9 cents, 3.67%. It's overbought right now. I'm expecting a pullback on the stock. It skyrocketed in the morning to 274, pulled back a little bit. Let's look at some of the U.S. companies. Liberal Health Science up half a penny. ACB down 13 cents. CGC up 17 cents. APHA down 5 cents. High Tide just kind of volatile today. Harv took a big nosedive today, down 19%. True up 43 cents. Planet 13. Jeremy's pump last night worked and it's up 27 cents. What is the market cap of this thing? 552. Cresco Labs down 1.1 cents. GTI up 23 cents. Men just trading sideways. XLY down a penny today. It was down 20 cents and now it's bounced back a little bit. And that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.